Hang on. I'm getting caught in the foot pedal. 1 second. Don't you know I care? Or don't you care to know? If you know I care, how could you hurt me so? Darling, you are part of every breath I take. Will you break my heart or give my heart a break? I can't figure out what love's all about or where I fit into your scheme. Am I wasting time? Please tell me, 'cause I'm down to my last dream. Won't you please be fair? Love me or let me go. Don't you know I care? Or don't you care to know? That song was composed by the one and only Duke Ellington. And you know, being a composer and songwriter myself, a lot of times I get asked, how do you come up with a song? How do you write a song? What comes first, the music, the lyrics? You know, what's your technique? What's the process? You know, how does this work? And I don't really have one set answer because each song is different and I compose each song in a different way. Sometimes a title will come to me, like for instance, the title, My Intuition. And, excuse me, I'll think, my intuition, what does that mean? I'm going to have to build a story around the title, because usually when I write a song, there's usually a story that goes along with it. There's what they call an A section, a B section, sometimes a C section, and you get back to A. It's a beginning, a middle, and an end. And with My Intuition, this is a song that I wrote quite a while ago. I haven't ever recorded it. I haven't, I've sung it live, but I haven't really done a recording thing, really, you know, a selling CD kind of thing. But anyway, back to the point. My intuition, I start thinking about the story, and I'll just start coming up with maybe a little melody. My intuition, da 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 ba da da ba da da da. And that's like, oh, okay, that sounds a little jazzy. That sounds a little like smooth, swingy kind of jazz. Ba da ba dee da 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 da. My intuition's telling me I don't have to be nervous. Da da da. My intuition's telling me there's no need to be shy. And then I come up with the rest of it as I go along. There's a good vibration, smooth sensation from just you being near. And there's a hint of mystery that's coming from your eyes. Okay, so I've got that part right. The next thing is to come up with the music. And it would go a little something like this. Okay, so got a little swing thing going. My intuition's telling me I don't have to be nervous. My intuition's telling me there's no need to be shy. There's a good vibration, smooth sensation from just you being near. What I say at the end? And there's a hint of mystery that's coming from your eyes. Da, 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 ba, ba. And I can hear like a whole band with this. me, I have a tickle in my throat. But since I don't have a band, I'm using this Yamaha keyboard thing just for the sake of the video to let you get an idea of what I'm talking about. So I'll get a little rhythm going. Okay. And then the music. Something like that. My intuition's telling me I don't have to be nervous. My intuition's telling me there's no need to be shy. There's a good vibration, smooth sensation from just you being near. And there's a hint of mystery that's coming from your eyes. My intuition's telling me this is gonna be playful. If you knew that I've been waiting for you, baby, for oh so long. So, it's got a story now that's building, okay? Obviously, this person is having this intuition about this other person. My intuition is telling me this is going to be playful. If you knew that I've been waiting for you, baby, for oh so long, there'd be no hesitation. We've both been waiting, feeling so right, just can't be wrong. So just listen, your intuition will make a way, baby. And you can ad lib and do all that kind of stuff, but this is usually one of the steps that I do to create a song. The recording part of it is a whole nother ball of wax. I have recorded in really professional recording studios, and I have recorded at home in my little amateur recording studio. And one day maybe I will, if I can, I'll show you how I actually record a song, but that is really such a tedious process. But I basically wanted to answer some of the questions of how I come up with a song, because this comes up a lot. It's like, oh my gosh, how do you write a song? Because I don't know, is it a poem that you put together with music or blah, blah, blah? And no, it's not a poem, but I can come up with lyrics. Sometimes it takes a long time. Sometimes the lyrics just flow. I always say that the music will speak to me, and that's generally what happens. The music actually talks to me and tells me what to do. I can't force it. When I try to force writing a song, it never, ever, ever comes out. It never works. So I have to sit with it and just let the music talk to me. This song, like I said, I wrote quite a while ago, and I would like to actually re-record it. I just did a little home demo of it, like 1,000 years ago. But I would like to re-record it and, actually add this song to, a CD. But, yeah, I just wanted to give you the basics. This is just one way that I come up with writing music, because music, as you know, is universal. Music speaks to everybody. This happens to be something that I love to do. And my songs are usually love songs, per se. And anywho, that's the way I come up with a song. So this particular song, I came up with the title first, and then I started playing around with the melody. The melody started coming, and then the words started flowing, and then I started adding the music. Sometimes the music comes first. I may just come up with something, I don't even know what to do. Oh, excuse me. of mood is that? That's like melancholy, right? So I don't even know, like right now, nothing's coming to me, but something like this, melancholy. Um, or, you know, something like that. So I would play around with something like that and see what the feel of that is. Is that a love lost? Is that longing for somebody? Um, you know, um, it can be anything like that. So that's usually, you know, one of my techniques for coming up with some, hopefully, music that everybody loves. So I know this is not a long video. I didn't really want to make a long video. I was just actually sitting here and I thought, you know, a lot of people ask me how I come up with, you know, my songs and whatnot, and I thought I would just come on here and do a little quick tutorial on what I do, my process of, you know, writing a song. So this is a very short video. I just wanted to come on and say hey and just maybe answer some questions that some people have actually asked me in the past. And, you know, I will see you in another video. Just right now, I am doing a little bit of creating, and when that bug comes, I like to keep it moving. But I did want to stop in the middle and say hi to my friends and my Reese's Pieces family, my YouTube subscribers, and come on here and just, you know, give you a little tutorial on my writing process. So in the meantime, thanks for tuning in to this quick little video. I will definitely see you in the next video. I hope you all had a wonderful Martin Luther King holiday weekend, and thanks for tuning in, okay? Thanks for supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And follow me, connect with me on Instagram at Cherise Music, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, take it easy, y'all.